Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MG2520 printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer or laptop. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, whatever you want, and into Google search, you want to search for Canon PIXMA MG2520. Go ahead and search for that. Best match should say Canon support for PIXMA MG2520. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to scroll down on this page underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And then you can select your operating system as well as the version if it's not correct. So you can customize that, but it should auto detect it here. And then if you scroll down, you should locate the MG2500 series full driver and software package. Go ahead and select the download button for that. And then once it's done downloading, go ahead and open up that file. If you receive a user account control prompt, it should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. And then you can close out of the web browser at this point. You don't have to keep it open. And then it should say starting the software installation, follow the on-screen instructions, select next. And then you can customize what you want to have installed. Definitely need to have the drivers installed. And then we're going to select next. And then agree to the license terms by selecting yes here. And then next. Okay, so at this point, just want to make sure your printer is connected. If you're using a Wi-Fi connection or wireless, make sure that your printer is configured appropriately. You put in your router information, and then hopefully you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.